Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for checking out this video. So today is a super special day. I have a really cool announcement to make to you guys. So we're here at BACKWOODS Adventure Mods in Springdale, Arkansas. And there's their building right back there where they build and manufacture all their bumpers and stuff. And I parked, posted up right next to their 2019 Sprinter build they just did. It's got their bumpers, their roof rack and ladder. It's freaking killer. But anyway, the point of this video and the special news is if you guys have been following me at all, you've known that I've partnered with BACKWOODS and we've been going down this really long journey of making Tacoma products together. I've I had a couple versions of their bumpers on my truck, and I've asked you guys for feedback and what you like about it, what you don't like about it. And we finally dialed it in, and it's now available for pre-order. So the Tacoma bumpers are now available for pre-order on their website, which is so crazy to see, an idea come all the way full circle, and now it's actually available to the public. So I'm more than excited to share that news with you guys. If you want to know any more information, just check out backwoodsadventuremods.com, and you can get a really, really cool, they're doing like a special swag box offering thing with their bumpers, so check them out. The other thing is, so there's two separate videos that I'm going to publish, and this first one is kind of their official promo video, and this was shot by my buddy Nathan Proctor, which I'll show in just a second. It's super cool. He did an awesome job, and it's just kind of us going out in the Ozarks and showing off the bumpers. The second video that I'm going to publish is a video that kind of I've created. So I did all the branding with the new Tacoma products. I did the naming and like all kinds of stuff for them. I shot and edited this video, and it's just really cool. So I'm going to share that with you guys. It's going to go over all the specs and features of this brand new series of bumpers. So I don't know, I've said it a million times, but I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So make sure you watch both videos. Again, there's a promo video and then kind of like a details and spec video. So I will roll the promo video first, and then on the second video, I'll show you guys the other part. So thank you guys again so much, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.